Okay, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own bottle launcher, like a bottle cannon. Out of a standard 5-pound Amorex fire extinguisher. I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to do it for your feeling good for yourself, and then we'll go outside and test her out. So our very first step to make one of these things is you need a 5-pound extinguisher, an Amorex 5-pound extinguisher, empty. And then your first step, when you have a new one, but this obviously is new, you want to take the lid off, just unscrew, remove the hose first, unscrew the lid. You have to clean the valve and everything out. I'm not going to go into detail on how to do that, but if you don't know how to do it, just look it up. And then you get that all clean, and then you put you get the cylinder clean too, get all the extra powder out, because there'll be extra powder in there. Now clean the cylinder. No, of course you want to make sure it's empty. But yeah, you want to go and clean the cylinder out. Don't use water. Just make sure you use air and try to get it all clean. And now once you've cleaned it, you're ready. And now I'm going to show you how to make the adapter that'll hold the bottles. Well, the first thing we need is a short piece of PVC pipe. I don't know what size this is. It just fits in a bottle. Okay, and now that's an Amorex 2.5-pound fire extinguisher fill with the nozzle. That you'll have to order it, or I have one, so I have it, but you'll have to order it or whatever. And then I wrap some tape around the nozzle, push it in here, then wrap the tape. But the pipe is not the perfect size, so you need to have some tape around here to make a good seal with the bottle. And then you also need a tip, Amorex or Badger. This is actually from a Badger fire extinguisher. You screw this on there, and then you would remove the hose, screw that on there to press the handle. Push this handle down, of course, and then you put this in there, and this is just compressor with the rubber tip. You put it in there, spray until you're full, and then, it's not going to get it full, it's only 150 psi, and then when it starts to rush back out, let go. Well, so now, okay, everybody, so now, I'll see it. I'm gonna go ahead and pressurize this, and then we'll go outside, and then we'll go outside and test her out. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit.